Financial loss. It's one of the hardest things to face. One wrong decision and everything can disappear. But here's the truth. Failure isn't the end. The difference between the rich and the poor isn't avoiding losses, it's knowing how to recover. Stay with me till the end, because today I'm revealing the comeback blueprint that the wealthy use to rebuild fast. Most people react to financial loss with fear, regret, and panic. And that's exactly what keeps them stuck. Let me ask you, do you think billionaires never lose money? The truth is, they've lost more than most people will ever make. But they recover because they understand the game differently. Take Elon Musk. He was in $180 million of debt after PayPal. But instead of playing it safe, he reinvested everything, and now he's worth over $200 billion. So, what's their secret? It starts with controlling your mindset. Rule number 1, stop thinking like a victim. Most people react to loss by blaming the economy, bad luck, or circumstances. But here's the truth. No one is coming to save you. The only way out is to take full responsibility. Jeff Bezos lost $6 billion in a single day. Did he panic? Number. He doubled down on long-term strategy, and Amazon grew even stronger. Rule number 2, identify and cut toxic financial habits. Losing money is painful, but losing it twice is a choice. The first step to recovery is identifying what went wrong. Was it overspending, bad investments, or poor planning? If you lost money gambling, stop chasing quick fixes. If you over-leveraged on bad debt, restructure and move smart. The key? Cut the leak before you rebuild. Rule number 3, create an aggressive comeback plan. The rich never sit back and hope to recover. They strategize, pivot, and take action. You need a comeback roadmap with these 3 steps. 1. Increase cash flow. Get back in the game with a new income source. Side hustle, freelancing, and investments focus on cash flow first. 2. Leverage smart debt. The wealthy use debt to rebuild business credit, investor funding, or real estate strategies. 3. Invest, don't save. Saving won't make you rich. Reinvest into high-return assets like stocks, crypto, or businesses that compound over time. And there's one more secret strategy the rich use to turn losses into opportunities. The biggest financial recoveries don't start with money, they start with mindset. Every setback is an opportunity to learn and adapt. Henry Ford went bankrupt 5 times before building Ford Motors. His secret? He stopped fearing failure and treated losses as lessons, not endings. The question is, will you let your loss define you, or will you rise from it stronger than before? Financial loss is painful, but it's not permanent. The real test is what you do next. Learn from the wealthy, rebuild with strategy, and never let a setback stop you. Subscribe to Faceless Sensei for more hidden financial secrets they don't want you to know. And in my next video, I'll reveal the biggest money traps keeping you broke. Thanks for watching.